What's up, guys? I'm back with another trade recap. So I haven't uploaded a video since I think Thursday because I didn't take any trades on Friday. So today I was really bullish. I forgot why I was bullish. I think I was waiting for SPY and QQQ to take out highs and then make a move down, and it never did that. It just started selling off. So all of these three stocks, IWM, SPY, and QQQ, had a huge sell off until around 11:30, and then it started looking a little bit bullish. So earlier, I took this on paper. I was just kind of testing something, but the reason why my take profits are where they are is because that's equilibrium of the range. That's why hypothetically, if I were to have traded many contracts, I would have taken my last one off right there if everything were to work out. But I entered this trade because of a liquidity sweep over here. I mean, we were taking a lot of liquidity right here. So we finally broke structure. And then this 1 minute fair value gap right here got respected. Price did not want to inverse it, so that paired with a break of structure, I was thinking pretty bullish. And then I entered right here off of this close. It wasn't a high volume close, which is something I did not like, but I took it anyway just because I wanted to take a trade. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really let my emotion get in the way of this trade, but I was like, you know what, this does look good as of right now because SPY and QQQ were starting to pick up. See, 11:30 had a huge volume candle up to the upside. Same setup as IWM. It failed to inverse this 1 minute fair value gap, break of structure, and same thing on QQQ. They all three look pretty good. This was an even better setup. I didn't even pay attention to that, to be honest. But yeah, I took IWM just because that's what I was looking at mainly today. There's no reason. Looking at it now, QQQ probably had the best setup. But this is why I didn't take it. Because it didn't actually sweep out pre-market low. It made a relative equal low, and I did not feel like that was enough to make an upside move. So that is why I was not taking QQQ. Although they all move in sync, I just felt more comfortable taking IWM. So I get in, price comes up, and I'm trading really cheap contracts. They barely moved. So it started making a move up. I bought another contract right here. We pull back a little bit to the EMAs, and it started making a move up. And then I noticed that at this 5 minute bearish fair value gap, price started to slow down. And then same with QQQ and SPY. This 5 minute right here, price started to slow down, and then I sold because of this huge candle right here. This big, I mean, compared to the other candles today, this was kind of a pretty heavy volume candle. Coming down right here, and with that close, I sold both of my IWM contracts because it looked like price was wanting to reject and then maybe just come back down and continue bearish for the rest of the day. Looking at it now, it is 12 o'clock. I didn't want to take the trade as well because it was 12 o'clock, but like I said, it did look kind of good for calls. I got in. Like I said, I only lost $2. I don't care. Even if I lost a lot, I would not care. It is what it is. Something I would have learned from this is to just not trade 12 o'clock. I got in around 11:45-ish. So obviously the volume's going to start slowing down. But the reason I got in is because SPY and QQQ look good. But in the future, I will avoid this mistake just because look at the lack of volume on IWM. This is pathetic right here. Now, if I was bearish all day, then I definitely could have taken tons of setups to the downside. But I was also looking at all the lows I was taking out, and I didn't want one of those lows to be the draw on liquidity. I didn't feel like any of them were going to have, or I did not feel like any of them were going to be the draw on liquidity. So that's why I did not take any puts today. I took puts on paper up here at like 10 o'clock. But yeah, I want to see something real quick. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. For price to come up into or equilibrium, which I mean, I guess this would be like the discount for bears. Come up here, slow down, and then make him move down. That's what my prediction is for the rest of today. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.